Xand, you stink.
I know. I haven't washed in 3 days.
What? But why would you do that?
Well, Chris, while you have been washing as normal, I haven't. And that's so I could collect samples of the bacteria on my body.
And here they are.
All over your body, you have lots of lovely bacteria working hard to keep you healthy.
That's right, not all bacteria are bad. In fact, lots of them are good. They do things like eat dead skin cells and destroy bad bacteria, which could otherwise cause you infections.
But that's not a reason for never washing, is it now, Xand?
Well, that's true, but I've only not washed for 3 days, and you're about to find out why.
Allow me to introduce my body bacteria.
Meet the family. There's John, and he's off to see Anita, who's over there.
Hello, Anita. How do you even know their names?
We live together.
They actually feed off my sweat, and as they gobble away, they release a nasty stink. So when I don't wash, more sweat equals more nasty smells. Now, speaking of smells...
Smell this cheese.
Cheesy. What are you doing now?
Smell my foot.
Ugh, it's even more cheesy.
Exactly. Now that's because some of the bacteria that live on your body are exactly the same kind of bacteria that are used to make cheese.
Bacteria are a key part of producing cheese and actually give each variety of cheese its unique smell and flavour.
Now, in these 3 jars, we have bacteria on swabs that Xand's been collecting from different parts of his body.
Now we're going to make 3 varieties of cheese.
One from my toe bacteria, one from my armpit bacteria, and one from my belly button bacteria.
And what we want to know is, will the different kinds of cheese smell like the body part they came from? Actually, I'm quite peckish. I'm quite looking forward to this.
What's on? You can't eat this cheese. We have no idea what sort of foul bacteria might be lurking in the crevices of your body, and some of them could be dangerous.
I suppose you're right.